This is NDTV, and you're watching Classics.
Hello and welcome to Walk the Talk. I am Shekhar Gupta at Srinagar's golf course in what is not exactly the golfing weather, but my guest, somebody who's used to weathering many storms, he's chosen the hottest of hot seats in Indian politics voluntarily, willingly, in fact very keenly. Ghulam Nabi Azad, welcome to Walk the Talk.
Hello, nice meeting you.
Old friend, veteran at 57 already, and also young at 57 for politics.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
What made you choose the warmth of Srinagar, leaving the chill of Akbar Road? I mean, the comfort and just the smugness of being in national politics. Most people come from states to national politics.
Well, I would like to say, I think maybe the first time I have not told this secret to anybody so far. First time I shall be talking to you in this regard. I think the first time it was 1986 when I was Minister for Food Civil Supplies, and we had two of our colleagues, Minister of States, one from Karnataka and one from West Bengal, Mr. Dash Munshi. They were ministers and they were also PCC presidents. So Mr. Rajiv Gandhi told me that I feel that you should take over the chief ministership of Jammu Kashmir, because that time we were fighting Farooq Abdullah.
Right.
And he said, you continue Minister of State here in Government of India and also become PCC President of Jammu Kashmir, and next year we are going for elections and you can take over Chief Minister. I said point blank, I'm not interested in state politics. And a decade later, again it was 95, 96, when I was Union Minister for Parliamentary Affairs, Aviation and Tourism. So it was late Prime Minister Narasimha Rao ji. Again we had here governor role, and he insisted that I should go back to Jammu Kashmir since elections are going to be held and you take over the chief ministership of Jammu Kashmir. So that was second time I said flatly no, that I am not interested in the state politics. So maybe exactly a decade later, that is last year 2005, I decided to come here.
And what made you change your mind? Because most other politicians, particularly in your party, will give an arm and a leg to have a union cabinet position. You had a good, plus you were very powerful in the party hierarchy. So what made you change your mind now?
Well, number one, there was an agreement in 2002 when I was PCC chief of the state, and
Right.
State went for elections under my leadership. And the agreement at that point of time between PDP, Mufti Saab, and my party was that for first 3 years he will continue, his party will continue to be in power. It will be headed by PDP, and the rest 3 years the government will be headed by the Congress party. So it is at that point of time I thought that I am one of the luckiest persons in my party, that over a period of 25 years in the national politics, particularly as General Secretary and Member of Parliament and Minister, I have had the opportunity, maybe the first General Secretary in the Congress party, to be in charge of 100% states and union territories as General Secretary. So I thought I have done much in different capacities for rest part of the country. I should do something for my state also before I finally and formally retire from the politics. And I thought this is the best time to go for the kill and go to Jammu Kashmir. And I have a mission. It's not just I have come for the heck of it, that just wanted to be the chief minister. As you have rightly said, that chief minister of Jammu Kashmir is not that attractive as that of ministership in union government. But I wanted that that state has not done as the other states have done. The Jammu Kashmir is lagging behind in infrastructure, and there's no work culture whatsoever. And I was very pained that last year there was a national newspaper, and the survey done by that national newspaper was that Jammu Kashmir is the second corrupt most among the second most corrupt states in the country.
So was your
Structure-
mission to fight militancy or to fight corruption?
I think both. I think both.